welcome back to my YouTube channel, Move to Create, Argentine Tango and Embodied Movement. My name is Leah, and as always, my idea is to share healthy and organic movement. Today we are talking about the two main mistakes in tango posture and how we can actually work on the correct tango posture. So let's start with the first thing that I see a lot. Especially in leaders, but also in followers, something like this happens. Yes, that the pelvis is spooned under, the knees are too much in front, and as if you would draw a line up, no, I am behind my own body alignment, behind my own center line. So in this case, I kind of really not be able to walk with my partner because I would crush in my partner's space, right, with my knee. And if I want to go back, I'm kind of falling backwards. So this is what I see a lot. The second mistake, what I see more in the followers, is that we're tilting somewhere the pelvis out and we're too much out of our axis. And that can we hang here on. So first, this is not really good for our lower back. And also here I kind of cannot control my legs. And here I never arrive on my axis. So we have a problem of really alignment, or that we can dance with freedom and have a free range of movement. So what we can do that these two elements are not happening. So first you want to understand where is your weight in your foot. Yes? So the feet are a little bit open. This is important. This is the anatomical correct posture from the feet. So once I have that, I will check on my pelvis. Yes? It's not tilting in front nor back. So if you would have here, no, a table, you can put a glass of water on it without that you lose the water. So it's literally straight. So here it's important, an information that I feel creates a lot of confusion. There is an open tango embrace posture and there is a closed embrace tango posture. So the open embrace posture, thinking that the back of my head, no, sits on the shoulder sits on the back on my hips, the hips on my feet. So basically what I feel here, that my weight is contributed in the whole foot. So I'm not too much on the heel, I'm not too much on the toes. I really feel I'm in the center of my foot. So if I just walk here and dance here, that's great for open embrace tango. However, what we do with closed embrace. So imagine now the leg, no, the femur, which is this bone here, is in your hip. So we either can rotate the femur, yes, or the hip. So we can either move one or the other. So what I do mean with this, I can move or roll the leg in my articulation of the hip, yes, which here sits in my pelvis, or I can roll the hip in my femur. Two different actions. Which is not that I tilt the pelvis, is imagine the back of the coccyx, the center of my shoulder blade, and the back of my head are one thing that I tilt slightly in front by moving in my hip joint. So when I do that, and it's really mini, I feel my weight from my hip is on my heel and my heart is on my toes. So if I would draw a line, no, here, up, I'm still in my own possibility of axis. I'm not totally in axis, I just inclined in my axis, but I'm not depending on my partner. This is really important. But what we generate with that is the possibility to feel our back. So basically, a second idea here, no, I'm never opening the rib cage. I feel always kind of the sensation of closing the rib cage. That my upper part is something strong that's not going to move. So we need to understand where we are not moving things, where we feel we hold them together, and what else we're moving. So basically, you have now this tango posture, and this permits me to be comfortable in my tango embrace, yes, but also be free with my legs. You can try that. here, you cannot move the free leg as easy. If I go into my tango embrace, no, moving the whole structure slightly in the hip, I'm free with that free leg and I can already move it. And this is really a secret to be free from the hip down for your movement by creating a beautiful circular and connected tango embrace. So now try that in the 3 steps we have to say, okay, we go in our tango posture, we know we are not opening, closing, we first check how our weight feels in the foot, we feel that we create a whole awareness in our back, we feel there's a whole energy going up, yes? Because here in close embrace, there is no connection, and here, yes, I can maintain this connection. So now, the first exercise, what I would like that you try, that the knee goes, foot follows, I'm in the middle, and I push a little bit more. But I just push to my posture, yes? So here, my free leg is already free. What I don't try is to align my body for open embrace. Because in that moment, I'm arriving, I'm holding the posture. Again, my free leg is free to move. If I arrive and let go, my free leg is not as easy to move. Yes? So you have here one side and the other. Try that. Another exercise what I really like is posture. You make a step, you arrive, no, and just think that the free foot stays back. This is also a very important posture for your pivots, because here you really assecurate that your free leg stays back and you're not kind of do something with it first. And now on the back step, it's a little bit challenging. There are many techniques to go to a back step. This is one option, but I feel it's really great to practice what you just have in this video, how to generate our posture. So basically, you go in the foot position, you feel again, where is the weight in your foot, where is the heart in your body, you know, this idea of tuck, but up, rib cage closed. So first, I connect with my standing leg to my partner. This is now more the follower, right? I connect, I push, and I feel my toes. This toes connection is very, very important. Why? Because here I'm still with my partner. And as my partner arrives, I roll my heel down. You can see that here. I'm rolling my heel down. And this has to be controlled. And as I'm rolling down with my heel, I'm not yet in my posture. But if I now roll again in my hip, you feel that my front heel automatically frees. Yes? So again, I'm going, my partner is coming, I'm in the middle, I'm starting to take the posture. Why? In this moment, I don't want to move again. What I see a lot of you move. But no, I stay in the posture and I connect the free leg. Again, you connect with your partner, you push in front in order to go back, you have your toes, and as you arrive and create the posture, your front heel is lifting. And as you go on the posture, you connect the free leg. Try it on one side, on the other. It's an amazing exercise that you can really, in your solo practice, find your posture, because the proprioception is the first idea how to maintain a fluid and a really good and comfortable tango connection in the embrace. Now let's see the side step, right? It's the same, because so my tango posture is here. I push to the side in order to arrive. Now what I see a lot, we're going out, we're tilting out, we're out of our axis. But imagine, no, again, this is the table. If I have here the hip like that, the water falls here. If the table is straight and I push down, everything is correct. I'm going into my posture. If I now release the knee, my free leg is free, but I'm perfectly aligned. And now, see that? If I'm arriving, pushing down, hip back, center in front, the knee is already free. I'm ready again for boleo and the next action. And this technique for leader, for follower is the same. For leaders, I would like to encourage you to work on the following structure, which you can also do as a follower, yes. But for lead, the basic step is a very, very good exercise to combine everything what you just had. So first, I will show it from the leader side and then from the follower side. So if we have the basic step, we create the posture, we push in front to have the first step of the basic step. Yes, paso uno del básico. Now you have the toes, it's a small step under you. You roll, you connect. Back, side, front, front, side, reconnect, right? And here you can change the weight to do it again. So from the side, it would be, from the back, it would be back, side, front, front, side, changing the weight, and you loop in again. And you see I'm in counterbalance, I'm not in front. Ta, and here again, the work of my toes. For the follower, it's of course the other way around, and I show you that from the back first. So I'm starting on my right leg. I have the controlled axis. I have a front step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I could start again. I show that from the side because there you see the posture. It's important to maintain the posture, connect, first move the heel, knee, and then the leg. Again, arrive, maintain the posture, side step, maintain the posture. Meanwhile, you walk back to the side, change, maintaining the posture, and walk again. Good. Try it. It's a really nice solo practice. And then let me know in the comment how it went when you were dancing with a partner. And as always, in order to keep on sharing material, please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'm happy to share more content with you. And as additional videos to this practice, I highly recommend the pelvic floor workout and also the grounding video on this channel. It's always good just to combine it with different ideas. So yeah, let me know in the comment how it went, and thank you very much for watching.